Hey, writers! Imagine a place where your creativity is rewarded. What if I told you there's a hidden gem of a platform that actually pays you for publishing your articles and stories? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's real, and it's helping tons of writers like you turn their passion into profit. Now, I'm not just talking about some random freelance gig. I'm talking about a platform that values every word you write and rewards your dedication. This platform is perfect for beginner writers, seasoned authors, or even bloggers looking to monetize their content. But what's the name of this incredible platform? Well, I'm not revealing it just yet. If you're curious and ready to start your writing journey, check out the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to the official website where you can explore more and sign up. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your words into cash. Click that link and happy writing.